At the very outset, we thank God for the gift of this well meaningful day. Today, 1st August 2023, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Rangblang, celebrate the World Scout Day with a very short program during the school assembly. The Scoutmaster, Ms. Mercia Yopniel, welcome everyone to the gathering, especially to Reverend Father Jeffrey Kakungo, Sister Kandrisha, thank you, our beloved headmistress, all the teachers and students. The theme of World Scout Day 2023 is Our World, Our Equal Future, the Environment and Gender Equality. Let us rejoice and thank God for this beautiful day and witness this very short program. Thank you.
You, dear teachers, and to you, my dear students. A big congratulations to the scouts and guides of our school under the leadership of Miss Marsha and Sir Francis. Let us give them a big round of applause for this beautiful animation and preparation. Let us give them a big clap. School. And we wish that this group will go up higher and higher and achieve more and more in the future. We wish Miss Marsha, Sir Francis, all the best, and we believe that their presence in our school will do many good things for the school and to each one of us. I hope we promise as a school management with also together with the new headmistress, we will try our best to lend our helping hands this year and the future for this group to come up in our school. Dear students, we know who is Baden Powell. He is the founder of the Scouts and Guides movement. And Miss Marsha has spoken rightly about this man, that he has a similar longing, he has a similar dream like Don Bosco. He wants to be with the young people. When we talk about Don Bosco, he is our father and teacher of the young people. So let us today recall again one of the sayings of this great man, Baden Powell. In the Scouts and Guides movement we are familiar with. There is a motto for them. They say, be prepared, be prepared. That is their motto. That is their, their inspiration to go ahead. And that word, be prepared, has guided many young people to achieve their goals and dreams. So let us together promise today as St. Mary's students, let us be prepared for anything. We, as a school management, we give you plenty of opportunities, ample opportunities for you to grow and achieve your goal and to realize your talent.
The Scout and Guide movement. Thank you. That's all for today.
Badan Powell, yo iya kanega, yo iya kabag kina samla ki ya chirum chenen kiram ki kam bijam, deling ba kani udon ke jimut ban bro igar ka scout and guide, krang bagi kina samla ki nam don kata kam banam yat sakma keleng keleng ban udar luka di jira na kabanta ke scout an guide na kabanta kumno ban wanra yang singba khamtam haga imang saklang na kabanta ke scout an guide te na kali junga tang kan ni kublai is marsha ibre is scout guide captain jo kali ka unit jungi ban ai kublai ru prasasta sai sit kublai shubun